Let us start. Good morning. Good morning. Special products. Special products. So first, let me see. We have seen the formula for AQ plus BQ. Yes, what is that formula for AQ plus BQ? Huh. Okay. So formula is A plus B whole cube minus 3AB into bracket A plus B. Correct? This we have already seen. Inside bracket plus, outside minus. Okay. So this is the formula for AQ plus BQ, which we have already seen. Now there is one more formula for AQ plus BQ. AQ plus BQ, you can write A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. A square minus AB plus B square. If it is plus, then between it is minus. That's all. So AQ plus BQ is A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. So there are two formulas. So this I will be using in exercise 4e. AQ plus BQ is A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. If it is plus, in between it is minus. This you have to remember. Then we have seen the formula for AQ minus BQ. AQ minus BQ is A minus B whole cube plus 3AB into bracket A minus B. Correct? This we had seen earlier, this formula. Now there is one more formula for AQ minus BQ. AQ minus BQ. See here, if it is AQ plus BQ, if it is AQ plus BQ, then it is A plus B. If it is AQ minus BQ, then it will be A minus B. Then in the second bracket, if it is plus, in between it will have minus. Now it is minus, so in between you will have plus. So that is A square plus AB plus B square. That's all. So AQ minus BQ is A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So this you have to remember. The sign you have to remember. If it is plus, then it is plus. Then if it is plus, then in second bracket in between we have minus. If it is minus, then it is minus. But if we have minus, then in between we have plus. That's all. So AQ minus BQ is A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So this formula I will be using in 4e. Then third formula, that is x plus a into x plus b into x plus c. The product of three factors. X plus a into x plus b into x plus c. Okay. We have seen already, if there are two factors, then it is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. But if there are three factors, x plus a into x plus b into x plus c, then formula will be x cube plus a plus b plus c into x square. A plus b plus c into x square. Now you take the product of two numbers together. So if it is x plus a into x plus b into x plus c, then it will be x cube. Yes. So that will be now 3. That is product of two numbers, AB plus BC plus CA into X. And last it is A into B into C. Product of three numbers. That is ABC. So this is the formula. X plus A into X plus B into X plus C is X cube plus A plus B plus C into X square. A plus B plus C into X square plus AB plus BC plus CA into X plus ABC. Okay. So based on these three formulas, we have to solve our exercise 4e. So let us solve exercise 4e. 4e. So a cube plus b cube is a plus b into bracket a square minus, if it is plus it is minus, if it is minus it is plus, if it is plus it is plus minus, if it is minus it is minus, it is plus, that's all. So this sign you remember, terms remain same. So now based on this we solve our exercise 4e. Finish this writing. Exercise 4e. So let us solve exercise 4e. Let's solve exercise 4e. Let's solve exercise 4e, which is based on this third formula. Exercise 4e. 4e. Now it is 4e. Simplify first. Simplify x plus 6. First x plus 6 into x plus 4 into x minus 2. Okay, x minus 2. So use this formula, x plus a into x plus b into x plus c. What is my a? A is 6, b is 4, c is minus 2. Okay, so this will be x cube plus a plus b plus c, that is 6 plus 4 minus 2 into x square, plus now product of two numbers, 6 into 4, 6 into 4. Let me write one step. 6 into 4 plus 4 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into 6 x plus a plus b plus c, that is 6 into 4 into minus 2. We have used this formula, x cube plus a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. So this is x cube, 6 plus 4, 10 minus 2, 8x square, okay, 8x square, plus 24 minus 8 minus 12, 24 minus 8 minus 12, no my dear. So 24 minus 8 minus 12, minus 8 minus 12 will be minus 20, minus 20 plus 24 is 4x. Then plus into minus, 6 4s are 24, 24 2s are 48. Answer is minus 48. And this is the answer. X cube plus 8x square plus 4x minus 48. So first it is x cube plus a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. Okay. So in the same way you will do other problem. Let me write those problem and give you homework. So a plus b plus c, x cube plus a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. Now second question is x minus 6 into x minus 4 into x plus 2, homework, okay, x plus 2, a is minus 6, b is minus 4, c is 2, that's all. Now third, x minus 6 into x minus 4 into x minus 2 into x minus 2, homework. Then fourth one, x plus 6 into x minus 4 into x minus 2. So all these three are homework. You can do it easily. Homework, homework and homework. Now second is simplify using the identity. Simplify using the identity. Using the identities. What are the identities? Tell me. The formula is that is a minus b into a square, a minus b, a plus minus b it is given. Both the sign they are given together. Let me write separately. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is nothing but aq minus bq. Then next a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is nothing but aq plus bq. These two form identities you have to use and simplify the following. So aq minus bq is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. aq plus bq is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A square minus ab plus b square. Okay. So using these two identities, we have to solve the following. Using these two identities, we have to solve the following. So a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now first 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y first. 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y into 4x square, 4x square minus 6xy plus 9y square, 9y square. Let us rewrite this. This I can write 2x plus 3y into 4x square. I can write 2x whole square. 6xy I can write 6xy I can write 2x into 3y, and 9y square I can write 3y whole square. 3y whole square. So this is of the form. This is my a, this is my b, this is my a, this is my b, ab, and this is b. So this becomes, now since a minus b, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is a cube plus b cube. So this will become a cube plus b cube. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube, that is 2x cube plus 3y cube. Yes. So 2x cube, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, y cube, and this is the answer. Okay. You can write, yes, just underline that and write a, underline that, write b, that's all. So a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is a cube plus b cube. Okay. Now next is 3x minus 5x. See this, see this. This is a plus b into a square minus ab, 2x into 3y, 2 into 3, 6xy, plus 3y whole square. So a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, see the formula which I given. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is a cube plus b cube, because there it is plus, then there it is minus. So whenever it is plus there, I will take plus b cube. Yes? Special product formula is given, a cube plus b cube. No, where? See, there it is a. When you open the bracket, you forget about a cube plus b cube. You open the bracket, you multiply a to entire bracket, you multiply b to entire bracket, at the end you will get a cube plus b cube. Okay. So, how you will remember this formula? If it is plus, then it is plus, and in between we have minus. So, plus, minus, plus. So forget about a cube plus b cube. Simplify this, open this bracket, you will get at the end a cube plus b cube. Okay, understood? Okay. So if it is plus, then it is AQ plus BQ. If it is A minus B, then it is AQ minus BQ. And in between we change the sign. In between we change the sign. In between we change the sign. Now next is 3x minus 5 by x. Second, 3x minus 5 by x into 9x square plus 15 plus 25 upon x square plus 25 upon x square. What you can write? You can rewrite this. That is 3x minus 5 by x. Okay. 9x square I can write 3x whole square. Now 15 I can write 3x into 5x, 5 upon x. X get cancelled, that is 15. Plus 25x square I can write 5 upon x whole square. 5 upon x whole square. So let us consider this as A, 5 upon x as B. This is A, this is AB, and this is B. So what is that? So now we write, since A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square is AQ minus BQ. Is AQ minus BQ. Remember this. If it is minus, it is minus. And in between we have plus. So this is AQ plus BQ. What is AQ? What is A? A is 3x cube minus 5 by x whole cube. Okay. So 3x cube is 27x cube minus 125 upon x cube. 125 upon x cube, this is the answer. So there should not be confusion. Again I am telling you. There it is minus. There it is minus, so it is minus. And in between we have plus. So minus plus minus. Minus plus is minus. So if it is A cube minus B cube, it is A minus B. If it is A cube plus B cube, it is A plus B. Then in between we change the sign. That's all. The terms remain same. Then third one. And third one. A cube minus B cube, it is A minus B. A cube plus B cube, it is A plus B. Then A square plus AB plus B square, or A square minus AB plus B square, we take the opposite sign. That's all. Now third is A by 3 minus minus 3B. This I am going to give homework. Into A square by 9 plus AB plus 9B square plus 9B square. This will be homework. Third. Okay. Then third, using suitable identity, evaluate. Using suitable identity, evaluate. Using suitable identity, evaluate. First 104 cube. 104 cube. Correct? 104 cube I can write 100 plus 4 cube. Cube. Now it is whole cube, my dear. It is whole cube. So I will use the formula A plus B whole cube. Formula is A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. Correct? Followed? You can use, yes, you can use one more formula. That is A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into bracket A plus B. Bracket A plus B. This formula also can be used. So whichever we want to use, right? Yes. So 104 plus 100 plus 4 cube. My A is 100, B is 4. My A is 100, B is 4. That's all. My A is 100, B is 4. So that will become A cube, that is 100 cube, plus B cube, 4 cube, plus 3AB, 3 into 100 into 4, into bracket A plus B, 100 plus 4. Okay. So let us see, 100 cube, 60, 64 plus 1200 into 104. Okay, 1200 into 104. Then simplify, that is 100,034. My dear, 3 into 100 into 4. 100 into 3, 300, 300 into 4 is 1200. Okay. Plus 1200 into 104. 104 multiplied 1200. 12 4s are 48. 4, 12. 1248. 1248 00. 1248 00. 1248 00. Add this. So 4064 plus 208,412. Add them. 4, 6, 8, 4, 2, 1, 1. This is the answer. Yes? Understood? So basically this type of calculations we have done earlier. Only we are interested in identifying the type, whether it is A plus B whole cube or A minus B whole cube. Okay? Mute the microphone. Now next is, you have to remember both the formula for A cube plus B cube, A plus B whole cube. In a hurry, sometimes the student make mistake. You check properly whether it is A plus B whole cube or A cube plus B cube. Accordingly use the formula. Now next is 97 cube. 97 cube. 100 minus 3 whole cube. Okay. So now you will use the formula A minus B whole cube. A minus B whole cube. That is A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. Use this formula. Or you can write this as A minus B whole cube as A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into bracket A minus B. This formula. Just substitute the value of A, B and get the answer. So homework. Further calculation will be homework. Okay. Now fourth is simplify. Fourth is simplify. Fourth is simplify. Fourth is simplify. Simplify x square minus y square. X square minus y square whole cube. X square minus y square whole cube plus y square minus z square plus y square minus z square whole cube plus z square minus x square whole cube plus z square minus x square whole cube divided by x minus y whole cube, x minus y whole cube plus y minus z whole cube plus z minus x whole cube, z minus x whole cube. You have to simplify this. You are given numerator upon denominator. You are given numerator upon denominator, and then you have to substitute the value. That's all. So what I will do in this type of problem, see, I will take x square minus y square as L. I will take x square minus y square as a. चलो, y square minus z square as b, z square minus x square as c. Denominator x minus y I will take p, y minus z q, z minus x r. Okay. Let us see what happens. So you will write let a is equal to x square minus y square, b is equal to y square minus z square, and c is equal to z square minus x square. Now we check whether a plus b plus c is 0. What is a plus b plus c? Yes, a plus b plus c, x square minus y square plus y square minus z square plus z square minus x square. So plus x square get cancelled with minus x square, minus y square get cancelled with y square, minus z square get cancelled with z square. So a plus b plus c is 0. Now you tell me, if a plus b plus c is 0, if a plus b plus c is 0, a plus b plus c is 0, then what is a cube plus b cube plus c cube? Tell me. This result we have done, my dear. If a plus b plus c is 0, then what is a cube plus b cube plus c cube? 3abc. This is equal to 3abc. Just substitute the value of, it will be the value of 3abc. This result we have done. If a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. So let us take, substitute the value of abc. So you will get a cube, that is x square minus y square cube, plus y square minus z square cube, plus z square minus x square cube, z square minus x square cube will be 3 into a, 3 into x square minus y square into y square minus z square into z square minus x square, z square minus x square. This is the answer of numerator. This is my numerator. Okay. Let us simplify denominator. Let us simplify denominator. Denominator I have taken PQR. I have taken, this is the numerator. Let us simplify denominator. So denominator we write, let P is equal to x minus y, Q is equal to y minus z, and R is equal to z minus x. Now we check whether P plus Q plus R is 0. So P plus Q plus R is x minus y plus y minus z plus z minus x. So you will get that P plus Q plus R is 0. P plus Q plus R is 0 because x get cancelled with x, minus y get cancelled with y, z cancelled with minus z. So P plus Q plus R is 0. Okay. P plus Q plus R is 0. So if P plus Q plus R is 0, so since P plus Q plus R is 0, if P plus Q plus R is 0, P plus Q plus R is 0, then what is PQ plus QQ plus RQ? Tell me. Yes? What? 3 PQR. That will be 3 PQR. Yes, just substitute the value of P. So that is x minus y whole cube plus y minus z whole cube plus z minus x whole cube will be 3 into P x minus y into Q y minus z into R z minus x. So this is the value of denominator. Now we take numerator upon denominator. We take numerator upon denominator and simplify. So we have simplified numerator separately, we have simplified denominator separately. Now let us substitute the value and get the answer. Let us substitute the value and get the answer. So x square minus y square cube plus y square minus z square cube plus z square minus x square cube upon x minus y cube plus y minus z cube plus z minus x cube. We have simplified numerator, that is 3 times x square minus y square into y square minus z square into z square minus x square. Okay. Upon denominator we have simplified, that is 3 into x minus y into y minus z into z minus x. But now see, this 3 get cancelled. 3 get cancelled. But what is numerator? Numerator is a square minus b square, a square minus b square, a square minus b square. So use that formula, a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So what will be x square minus y square? That will be x plus y into x minus y. Again a square minus b square, so that will be y plus z into y minus z. Then again a square minus b square, that is z plus x into z minus x upon x minus y into y minus z into z minus x. Now we'll see which term get cancelled. X minus y get cancelled with this, y minus z get cancelled with this, z minus x get cancelled with this. So what is left finally? Finally left is x plus y into y plus z into z plus x, and this is your answer. So we have simplified numerator and denominator using the result or identity that if a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. A plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. Okay. There is nothing in this question. We are given numerator, simplify numerator. We are given denominator, simplified denominator. Using the identity that a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube, I can write 3abc. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc only when a plus b plus c is 0. So if a plus b plus c is not equal to 0, then we cannot use that result. Now fifth is evaluate. Fifth is evaluate. First 0.8 into 0.8 plus 0.8 into 0.5 plus 0.5 into 0.5 upon wait, 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8, then it is plus 1, plus 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5, 3 times it is multiplied, 3 times, then between them we have plus 1. Then it is 0.8 into 0.8 minus 0.8 into 0.5 plus 0.5 into 0.5. So you should not get worried about this kind of expressions. Only to identify that we take, so let a is equal to 0.8 and b is equal to 0.5, and let us check this. So this will become a into a into a plus b into b into b upon a square, a into a minus a into b plus b into b. Let us simplify this. A into a is a cube plus b into b into b is b cube upon a square minus ab plus b square. Correct? Now I have given you the formula for a cube plus b cube. Yes, what is the formula? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This is my numerator. Denominator is a square minus ab plus b square. Yes, so now this term get cancelled with this term. What is left? A plus b. What is left? Yes, so left is a plus b. Left part is a plus b. Now substitute the value of a and b. So a is, you will get a plus b. A is 0.8 plus 0.5, answer is 1.3. So the answer is 1.3. So by seeing this expression, you should not get worried. Such a big expression, you just reduce that, identify the type and solve that. Next is 1.2, second one, 1.2 into 1.2, 1.2 into 1.2 plus 1.2 plus 1.2 into 0.3 plus 0.3 into 0.3 divided by 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2 plus, sorry, minus 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3. Again, let A is equal to 1.2 and B is equal to 0.3. Substitute the value and identify. So that will become A into A plus A into B plus B into B divided by A into A into A into A minus B into B into B. Let us see what happens. A into A square. A into A is A square. So A into A is A square. A into A is A square. A into A is A square. So this we write A square plus AB plus B square upon A cube minus B cube. So that is A square plus AB plus B square. Numerator we keep as it is. Now I have given you the special product formula for A cube minus B cube. A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. No. Now this numerator gets cancelled with denominator. What is left? What is left, my dear? Not A minus B. 1 upon A minus B. 1 upon A minus B, because A minus B is there in the it is there in the denominator. Now substitute the value of A and B. So that is 1 upon A is 1.2 minus 0.8. So that is 1 upon 0.4, correct? 1 upon 1 upon 0.4 you can simplify. Where? Okay, 0.3 is there. 0.9, yes. So 1 upon 0.9 you can write 10 upon 9. Correct? When I will remove the decimal, 1 0 will be increased. 10 upon 9 you can write 1 is to 1 upon 9. That will be 1 is to 1 upon 9 or 1 upon 0.9 you can stop there. How much time is left? It's 10:30. Okay. So now we stop here. We'll continue on Friday. Okay. Bye everybody. Yes, so we will